Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to add the like and subscribe animations to your YouTube video. This is a really easy tutorial. I'm going to be using Vegas Pro 17. So if you have if you're using a different editing software, it's going to be a similar process, but for today I'll be using Vegas Pro 17. So to start off, I'm going to open that. And this is a new project, so to start off I'm gonna import just any video that I have. I'll select that one, and then I'm gonna just mute the sound for it because we don't need it. Okay, so to add the subscribe animation first, I'm gonna right click and then insert a video track, and then here we're gonna open, and I have animations in here. I'm gonna put all these animations in a zip file for you, and then I'll put a download link in the description so you can use them. So I'm gonna use the subscribe animation 1. As you can see that it is big and it has green background, so if I play it now, and it is very loud as well. So to adjust the sound first, we can use that volume slider, and I'm gonna put it like -30, -30, and then I'll play again. So it sounds good now. Now we need to just remove the green background and make it smaller. So to do that, we're gonna right click on it and then select video event pan and crop. Here we can adjust the size and position for it, so I think this is a good size. I'm just gonna adjust the position and put it here in the middle. Okay, so it's good now. I'm gonna close that, and then to remove the green background, you just go to the video effects bit here and then search for keyer, K-E-Y, and you select that chroma key, and then you select the green screen one, and then you just drag it to the animation. See, now I removed the green background, but there is also like a little shadow or edge still visible, so we can remove that by using the low threshold slider. So if I just slide it through a bit, now it disappeared, so it looks good now. Gonna close it and then play it again for you, just so you can see. So it looks good now. So we've added the subscribe animation. Now we're gonna add the like animation as well. Again, if we open and then add this one, animated YouTube like button. Again, it's gonna be big and it has green background, so we can adjust that. Just give me a second. Yeah. Alright, we can adjust the side by right clicking and then select video event pan and crop, and we can just make it smaller a little bit, and I'll put it here. Okay, this is a good position. Gonna close that, and then again we use the green screen animation effects array, and then we just drag it to the animation. Now delete the green background, but there is still a little shadow. You can remove that by using a low threshold slider. So now it disappeared. Just gonna play it again. Right, I'm gonna play them both for you so you can see. So that's the subscribe animation. It's good, and then now the like animation. See, so it worked fine now. So that's how you add the subscribe and the like animations to your video. I'm gonna put the animations in a zip file for you, and then you can I'll put the download link in the description so you can use them. And if you have any questions, please leave me down a comment. I'll answer for you and help you as well. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Cheers.